Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change a ringtone on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support this channel. And now, without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings page. And then in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down and find the sound and vibrations options. Tap on it. And then you just have to scroll it down again until we'll find here the phone ringtone. And as we know, in this page there are two SIMs here guys, which is the SIM 1 and SIM 2. So to change the ringtone, you just have to choose which SIM that you want to change the ringtone. For example, here for the first SIM, which is the phone ringtone SIM 1, I'm gonna tap on it. The default ringtone is Moto guys, like this. So to change it, you just have to see another sound from the default. You can pick one. For example, here I'm gonna use this attentive options and tap OK, and it will save you guys. And if you have another ringtone or music that you want to use as a phone ringtone, you just have to tap at this add a ringtone options, and we're going to the file page. So I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.